making everybody feel really nervous about staying healthy and keeping their immune system strong. So I wanted to pop in here and give you my advice that I've been giving everyone that's been asking, and that's how do we keep our immune system boosted and clear, and what can we do to avoid catching this new edition of flu? Well, it's not about taking a bunch of supplements. Sure, taking some vitamin C or some astragalus. Astragalus is a great herb that helps boost the immune system. Elderberry, echinacea I actually don't use long term, I just use that short term. So there's certainly herbs that you can take, and vitamin D, making sure your vitamin D status is good. That's a simple blood draw from a regular lab. These are all things that can be really important, but from my point of view, the most important things are three things. One is, what are you eating? So most of your immune system is actually located in your gut. So the same material, the same lymph tissue that makes up your tonsils surrounds your entire intestinal tract. It's called GALT, which stands for gut associated lymph tissue. So if you have irritation in your gut, you're eating foods that you are sensitive to or allergic to, you are eating mucus forming foods like dairy, you're eating foods that drop the immune system like sugar and alcohol. These are some of the things that can really affect you. So by cleaning up your diet, you're essentially clearing out your immune system because most of it is in your gut. So really, really, really paying attention to what you're eating. Does that mean you can never cheat or have a snack or have a treat or whatever? No, of course not. But really being mindful of the sugar, really minimizing the dairy, lots and lots of water, keeping your body alkaline. So that is lemon water and citrus, fresh fruits and vegetables. Meat and dairy tend to make the body more acidic, which makes it more prone to host viruses and bacteria. So that's number one. Number two is, you got it, rest. Are you sleeping enough? Are you doing too much? Are you shoving too much into your day? All of these things will have an adrenal response, a cortisol response, which has a negative impact on your immune system. So making sure that you are doling out what you are capable of doing in a day, and then making sure that you're getting 8 to 9 hours of good sleep, ideally by 10 o'clock at night, is a way that our whole body detoxifies and resets, and that's going to be really, really important for the immune system too. Number three, last but not least, is manage your stress. Like I just mentioned, when we're carrying a big boulder of emotions or stress or tension or fear or worry, then we are really, again, having that adrenal response, that cortisol response, and so we are more prone to immune issues because cortisol, which is that primary hormone of the adrenal system or the stress system, is what is going to it has a negative relationship with the immune system. So if we think about the immune system, inflammation is actually part of the immune system. A lot of people don't put that together, but it's one of the legs of the immune system. Well, cortisol, as you know from corticosteroids or hydrocortisone, suppresses inflammation. So cortisol in the body suppresses the immune system, the normal, healthy, regulatory immune inflammatory pathways. So these are all really important things to consider when you're talking about immunity. So as we are on this quest together to not just fix the problem, but to really be with all that what's here, this isn't about upping your supplements and, again, taking extra C or making sure your D is good or adding some herbs. There's great herbs to choose from that can be really supportive. That's wonderful. But if you are really looking to boost your immune system, it's got to start from the inside out. So that's your diet, that's your rest, and that's your stress. So thanks so much. If you want to share here what some of your favorite immune boosting activities are, there's a lot. Moving the body, making sure the lymph is moving, sweating, so that's exercise, sauna, hot tubs, breath work, all that sort of stuff is really important for keeping the body moving and keeping the body healthy and clean. So happy thoughts, and don't worry about this coronavirus. Everything is going to be okay. All right, I'll talk to you real soon. Thanks so much for joining. Bye-bye.